Hi everyone, welcome back to Java 1 for All. In this video, we are going to update our JDK from Java 15 to Java 16. So if you are watching this after some time this video was recorded, there is a chance that you are either already on 16 or maybe you are even further ahead. But basically, I'm going to show you the process here, how we can update and update the project as well. So basically, do the same process, just search for Java JDK and you open the first link. Scroll all the, no, you don't have to scroll, just click on JDK download and then you scroll. In my case, I already downloaded since I'm using Windows 64. I have this already. So I will just come to downloads and then I will double click over JDK and then click yes. Next, I'm going to start the default location. And after you finish, if you go to the place where you installed, that's usually the same place where you had 15, you will have two JDKs. So now what we have to do is update the environment variables. So we can come to edit system environment variables. And then here at Java home, you click edit. And I believe it's only 16. I don't think something else changed. Let me double check here. Well, to make sure that we are doing everything correctly, just copy the path and then we update. Yeah, that's the one. Okay, so now if we open CMD and we type java-version, we should see 16. What about Maven? mvn-v, and then we have also Java 16. That's the purpose of having the environment variables. Now we have to update our project. So let's open IntelliJ. And if you take a look at your project and you open the properties by pressing F as Fox 4, you will see that we have Java language level 15, here also 15, but what is important for us is to add another SDK. So just come here, you see that it's already displayed, so just click over this JDK, now we have 2, and update the project language level, 16 records, not the preview. And then here, language level as well, 16, and check if the dependency is also 16. Then you click over apply. You can see this warning here. It's important because now since we are using Maven to handle the dependencies, we have to update Maven as well. So basically update the project, the modules. Now you should come to the pom.xml. You see here source and target. Update both of them to 16. And usually when you update the Java version, you delete the target folder, the binaries that were compiled in a different version. Since we're using Maven, there is a life cycle called clean. So if you come here to life cycle, we have clean or the plugins clean. You can double click here on this clean and it will just delete the target folder, the binaries. And now it's the part where if we had tests, we would run every single one of them to make sure that nothing is broken with this version. But the problem is we only have one test. So technically we would need to go just like video by video again and check all the tests that we have if everything's work fine. But since this is a lot of work for now, we are just going to click here and test if the only class that we have is working perfectly fine. It should. We didn't do much at the person service test, except that we didn't fix the problems we had before. So let's just go back to what we have, go back to the person service and make sure here is 18. And then you press Shift F10 again. And all the tests are passing. So this is one of the importance of having tests. For example, imagine that you are in a project. Imagine this is a real project in production, and you would like to update the Java version. So how do you know if everything's working exactly as they supposed to be? because now that we don't have any tests, we would need to technically just go through every single one of the functionality to make sure that we're not breaking. Or you can do like Microsoft and just release and let people test for you. I'm kidding, don't do that. So for this video, that's it. We just updated, and in the next one, we are going to continue with a little bit more topics. So I hope you enjoyed. See you in the next video. Bye bye.